Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I've got a great little scrap buster project for you. So start digging through your scraps, and it's making these little gift card holders. All you need is 2 pieces of fabric, a little bit of interfacing, and 1 little snap, and it's done. It'll take you about maybe 10 minutes, if that much. So let's get started. You will need the following supplies. Cut 2 pieces of fabric, 4 1/4 inches by 7.5 inches. Fusible iron-on interfacing. I'm using the Pellon brand, but you can use any brand that you like. Cut 1 piece, 3 3/4 inches by 7 inches, and then 1 snap. On one of your pieces of fabric, on the back side, fuse your interfacing on. Center it in the middle. You should have about 1/4 inch on each side of your fabric sticking out. Make sure you have the glue side down, which is usually very shiny. Put the glue side down against the back of the fabric. Follow package instructions for fusing. And you will need a hot iron with steam and a damp cloth. Bring the front sides of your fabric together, and you're going to stitch around 3 sides, so the 2 longest edges and 1 of the shorter sides. Stitch a 1/4 inch seam. Make sure you back stitch at the beginning and the end. Cut the fabric off at the 2 top corners, the corners that you stitched around. And you want to leave about 1/8 inch of fabric. And I'm also going to cut just a little bit off on each side. And the reason why I like to do this is that your corners will lay flatter if you do that. So again, do that at the 2 corners that you stitched around. At the opening, fold the ends over and then begin to push it front side out. After you've turned it front side out, I like to take something like this. You can use a chopstick or anything else that's got a small tip on it, and go inside and push out those corners. Then go to your ironing board and press this flat. And while you're at the ironing board, turn your edges inside 1/4 inch and then press. Then at your sewing machine, stitch real close to the edge all the way across. Fold it up about 2.5 inches, then stitch close to the edge on this side and this side. I like to use these little plastic snaps that you can get on Amazon, and they sell these kits, and there's all kinds of them. You can get just the snaps and just the tool set, but there's also some people who sell them with both the tool set and the snaps. And on average, most of the sellers are selling them for $20 or less. And I will have a link below. You don't necessarily need to use that link, but when you go into Amazon, you can just enter plastic snaps if you want to look at other sellers who sell these kits. You will need the following pieces. You'll need to pull out 2 of these with the large pointed thing coming up through the center. Actually, it's not that large. These are really small. And then you'll need to select a male and a female piece to go with them. On the flap that comes over here, you're going to find the center, and I would go up maybe 1/2 inch. Find the center, and with this tool that comes with your kit, you're just going to poke a hole through it. Then take one of these that has the pointy thing on it, take it and push it through the hole so that it comes out through the other side. And you kind of have to push and tug a little bit. There we go. It's coming through. Then take either the male or the female, it doesn't matter, and put it on top like this to where you see the pointy thing coming through. And I push down on it a little bit. Then take your tool like this, and the larger plastic piece goes in the section where that little black piece is. I'm sorry, I don't know the technical terms for all of these parts. So it's like this. Then you take it and just clamp down on top and squeeze really, really hard. And now you need to find the center over here. So what I like to do is I like to just fold it over, lift it up a little bit so I can see where center is. Take my little pointy thing and then just poke a hole through it. Then take this piece, put it underneath. Push it through. Take your other snap, and with this side facing up, put it on top. And again, I like to kind of push it down. Then take your tool again and push it in there. Sorry, my little tool kind of squeaks a lot. Hold on a second. My right hand doesn't work, so if I look like I'm clumsy, well, it's because I am. So I'm doing this with one hand. So it goes to show you, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. All right, so here we are. Got it on there. Almost. Okay, now I got it on there. Now squeeze real hard. And then just fold your two pieces over and snap it in place. And there you have your gift card piece. Oh, and don't forget, you need to put your gift card in there and then close it up. For other beginner sewing projects, check below your YouTube screen for the links. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure did enjoy showing you how to make this. It's really easy, great little beginner's project. See you next time, and happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Don't forget to click on the bell and enter your email address so you'll receive email notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is a lot of mayonnaise. See you next time, and happy sewing!